Hi and welcome back to another Java tutorial. Okay, in this tutorial I'm going to be teaching you guys how to create a simple calculator. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing we have to do is to declare our variables that we're going to be working with in the program. So since it's a calculating type of thing, so I'm going to say int. Okay, this calculator is actually going to add two different numbers. Okay, so say int uh first number, first num, close with the quotation mark. Say int second num, space, need a space. Okay, so then now we're gonna say int answer. Okay, okay, so we now going to say, um, we're going to ask the user to enter first num using the print statement. Say system.out.println. So remember, the essence of this program is to sum up two different numbers. Okay, so now on the close, and then the quotation mark, and we're going to say enter first number. Enter first number. Enter first number. Okay, we use our scanner to hold the number. First num, now we're calling on this variable first num that we declared earlier. I mean this line first num that we declared earlier. Okay, is equals to seek, which is our scanner that's going to hold the number, next int, because it's an integer type of data. It's an integer data type, so we're going to be using next int, parenthesis, close. Okay, so let's run this program to see what it's going to tell us to do. So enter first number. When you enter number, nothing is going to happen. So we need this program to tell us to enter another number that will add up to give us an answer. So right here we're going to say use the system.out.println statement. System.out.println, close, and then use quotation mark. enter second number, the second number. Okay, now we're referring to second number, so we're going to use our variable here, our second num variable. Second num is equals to zik, which is our scanner, dot next int parentheses, then we'll close. Oh, is there a problem here? Yeah, there should be an X here. Okay, so now let's run to see. So this program, we ask us to enter first number. So when we enter first number, then it will say enter enter second number. So when we enter second number, nothing will actually happen. Okay, nothing will happen. But what we need this program to do is to add the first number to the second number. So let's go ahead and continue coding. So now we're going to say answer. We're going to tell the program that we need our answer to be equals to first number first num plus, so using plus sign operator, plus second num, then we'll close with the column sign. Okay, but after telling our answer, after stating that our answer should be first num plus second num, we still need to use the print statement to print out the answer. So what we have to do is say system dot out dot print line so inside the bracket we don't need any quotation mark this time around. We just need to type in answer. Okay, we just need to type in answer, and this is because we're not trying to print out anything to the screen. We're just trying to print out an already stated answer, because this answer is just the sum of first num and second num, which we have already declared in the program. So we just need Java to give us the answer, the already stated answer. We don't need to print this answer, because if we happen to put a quotation mark, now let me show you what this would do. We will put a quotation mark to this answer. Then we'll save and run. Let me just show you what's going to happen to this program. Enter first num, we enter 2. Enter second num, we enter 3. So you see, this Java is going to print out answer for us, you see, without giving us the sum of 2 and 3. So this is what I'm trying to tell you. We don't need a quotation mark here. All we need is just to say answer inside the bracket. because we've already stated what we want our answer to be. So when we print this, when we run this program, enter first num, we enter 3, enter second num, enter second num, enter 3, 6, 6, you see 6 is the answer. 6 is the sum of 3 to 3. But let's make this program to look more pro. So we're going to say answer is equals to, now let's print answer is equals to answer is equals an error. Answer is equals to, then we want to print answer is equals to, now together with our answer, which is whatever the sum of first num plus second num is. So we need a plus sign here to combine these two things together. So we save and run. So it's going to say enter first number, you enter 3, enter second number, we enter 4, and it's going to say answer is equals to 7. All right, guys, hope you understand this program. Thank you so much for watching this program. I'll see you in my next video. Please remember to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these. Thank you.